How to fix Roblox error code 268 on PC. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. So in today's video I will be showing you how you can fix Roblox error code 268 on your PC. So you simply want to make sure to watch the video till the end. The error code 268 could be happening due to a couple of reasons, and in order to fix that, the first step you want to do is open up settings, right? Once you open up settings, go to apps and then go to installed apps. Under installed apps, you simply want to search for Roblox. Once you search for Roblox, just click on the three dots on the right hand side and then go to advanced options. Now when you go to advanced options, you might need to scroll down to the bottom, and here you'll find the button that says repair. Just click on the repair button. If the repairing option does not work, you might as well try to go ahead and then reset it. Now if you're still having the issue, what you want to do is open up your search menu and then you simply want to type in percentage app data and then just type in percentage again. So when you type in percentage app data percentage, you'll find this little file folder, right? Just go ahead and then open this up. Now under it, what you want to do is you simply want to navigate to the option called app data and then go to local, and then here you simply want to find in Roblox. So in this case you'll find a folder that says Roblox, right? If you find the folder called Roblox, just right click on it and then click on delete. Because in my case I've already deleted it, I'm not being able to find that option, but you want to go ahead and then simply actually find this folder and then delete it completely. If it still doesn't work, then you have to allow the app through Firewall. So just go ahead and then type in Firewall and network protection and then open it up. Once you open it up, what you want to do is you want to just scroll and then look for the option called allow an app through Firewall. Once you click on allow an app through Firewall, make sure to click on this change settings button from the top right hand side, and then you'll be able to change the settings. Here you simply want to make sure to find the Roblox application from the list, ensure that both of the boxes on the right hand side is actually checked, and then just click on apply and then click on OK. If you don't find it here, you can just select allow another app, navigate to the folder where Roblox is actually installed, and then click on open and then click on add in order to go ahead and add them. But hopefully this video helped you solve your problem. If it did help solve your problem, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.